Hello viewers, let's discuss tips for reducing your monthly bills and expenses today. Reducing your monthly bills and expenses can help you save money and improve your financial health. Here are some tips to help you lower your expenses. 1. Review your budget. Start by reviewing your budget to identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going and identify opportunities for savings. 2. Negotiate with service providers. Contact your service providers such as cable, internet, and cell phone companies to negotiate lower rates or discounts. Many providers offer promotional rates or incentives for loyal customers, so it's worth asking if you can get a better deal. 3. Cut cable and subscriptions. Consider cutting cable TV and other subscription services that you don't use frequently. Look for cheaper alternatives such as streaming services or free content available online. 4. Reduce energy consumption. Save on utility bills by reducing energy consumption. Turn off lights and electronics when not in use, unplug devices that are not in use, use energy-efficient appliances, and adjust your thermostat to conserve energy. 5. Shop for insurance. Review your insurance policies, including auto, home, and health insurance, to see if you can find better rates or discounts. Shop around and compare quotes from multiple insurers to ensure you're getting the best coverage at the lowest price. 6. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so try cooking meals at home instead. Plan your meals, buy groceries in bulk, and use coupons or discount codes to save money on food expenses. 7. Use public transportation or carpool. Save on transportation costs by using public transportation, biking, walking, or carpooling to work or other destinations. This can help you save money on gas, parking, and vehicle maintenance expenses. 8. Refinance debt. If you have high-interest debt, such as credit card debt or personal loans, consider refinancing to a lower interest rate. Shop around for a balance transfer credit card with a lower rate or consider consolidating debt with a personal loan. 9. Cancel unused memberships and subscriptions. Review your memberships, subscriptions, and recurring expenses to see if there are any you can cancel or downgrade. This includes gym memberships, magazine subscriptions, streaming services, and other recurring expenses that you don't use or need. 10. Buy used or shop sales. Save money on purchases by buying used items instead of new ones and shopping sales, clearance racks, and thrift stores. You can often find quality items at a fraction of the cost of buying new ones. By implementing these tips and making small changes to your spending habits, you can reduce your monthly bills and expenses, save money, and improve your financial well-being over time.